Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Amy if you're brand new to this channel, and today I have two unboxings. These are true unboxings. I have not opened any of these boxes since coming home with them. Can I just say that I'm really excited about this Louis Vuitton piece because it has been such a long time since I don't even remember when my last unboxing from the house was, from the fashion house was. There's just nothing that really attracts me from any of their new collections. Before I forget, a lot of you had asked me about sizing on Lily Silk items. So I'm wearing their shirt right now. This is the one on one of my more recent videos. I'm gonna link it down below if you're wondering which one. So this is a beautiful t-shirt that is made of knit silk material. It's kind of confusing because you think silk is supposed to be kind of, you know, shiny, satiny, but silk actually comes in so many different forms, and I had no idea that you can make it into knits. Very true to size. I always refer back to their sizing chart. I don't really think there's a need to size up unless a button-up shirt and you're just worried that the bust area is just on the verge of between two sizes, then maybe go a size up, but otherwise I feel like it's pretty much true to size. Alright, let's get back to the unboxing. Like I said, it's been a long time since I got excited about Elbe again. It came in this beautiful shopping bag and this beautiful box. I find that unboxing Elbe is a lot easier. There's no tissue paper, nothing like that. You just open the box and you see the bag. So it's pretty quick. So yes, it comes in this magnetic box. I don't even have a lot of their new boxes because that's how long I have not shopped at Elbe. I think the last item that I got from them was my world tour. I mean, bag wise, I think that was the one. It was the my world tour Neverfull. So yeah, that's a long time ago. Anyway, it comes in this drawstring dust bag. I already undid the drawstring to reveal. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! It is so pretty. This is the Spring Street handbag, and I have one influencer or YouTuber to sorry about that. I have one influencer to thank for the inspiration, and that is FashionablyAMY. This dust bag is so beautiful. It's even lined in the microfiber lining. It's a lot thicker than the usual dust bags, and I guess they're doing that because it's patent leather. I wasn't really looking to buy another LV bag actually, because I'm just currently very much into Chanel bags and Chanel things in general. But unfortunately, my Palm Springs Mini backpack had cracked. So I'm just gonna tell you very quickly what happened. So I had not used the Palm Springs Mini for a few months. Maybe I had used it like a couple times in the summer. It's such a great bag. It's so smooshy, it's so comfortable, and it just fits a lot. It even fits a bottle of water, so it's super functional. One day my good friend Elle messaged me, and then she asked if I've been liking the Palm Springs Mini, and the reason why she wanted my feedback is because she had some cracking on her pochette métisse and she needed a replacement, or she can choose another bag. So she was just asking for my feedback, whether I have any wear and tear. I told her that I would check, and I find a crack. You can see in the cutaways that there's a tiny little crack. It pretty much just started. It's where the zipper ends when the bag is opened. You can see slight scratches on the top of the flap as well. That's exactly where the zipper pull would run whenever you open or close the bag, and it would probably get worse over time. So I was devastated, obviously, and contacted my SA. Initially, I wanted to just replace it because I thought, you know what, my collection, I have a lot of pretty and dressy bags, but not as many casual mini size bags. I have a couple that I use as casual bags, such as my Fendi Peekaboo and my Valentino Rockstud Mini. But other than that, I didn't have a small canvas bag that was casual that I could use. And because this bag is still so popular and there's still a huge wait list on it, I obviously had to also wait. And I got a call to come in and see the one that was in. And I was so underwhelmed. I was so disappointed by the new one. I didn't take any photos or videos, unfortunately. I don't know why. I was just totally in the zone. but basically if I can just describe it, it just felt like the canvas was very thin compared to the one that I had. It was made in USA compared to the one that I had was made in France. Not that this was a huge issue because I do have made in USA bags. The main issues on the bag was that the canvas felt flimsy. It was already all wrinkled and very weird shape. Mine was very rounded, very cute, and just very puffy, like a little, like you just want to hug it. But the new one, it just, I don't know, frankly it looked faked because it looked like it was pretty banged up already in a sense. Like it was brand new, but just the craftsmanship in general, even the lining felt more like a cottony material versus the one that I had feels more of a satiny nylon, which I prefer because it's so much smoother and it feels so much easier to clean. So needless to say, I declined it. My first instinct was, wow, this is such a step down from what I used to have. It's like, it's ridiculous. I was so underwhelmed, so disappointed by it that, you know, I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna go with another bag. Which is the reason why I picked this one, because I had literally just saw I think Holly's video the day before. There's a couple more that I also liked. I also liked the can bag. I also liked the duffel bag. I even thought about the Alma BB, to be very honest, just, you know, the one that I used to have. But I'm usually not a person to repeat bags that I already sold in the past. I try to remind myself that I'm still not really a fan of zippered bag in general anyway, so this was the perfect choice for me. By the way, this was brought back from the archive actually. So the original Spring Street bag was from 1999, designed by Marc Jacobs, and it was also patent leather, but it didn't have all the different types of material. So on this one, they've revamped it, they've added monogram, they've added AP leather, and they also kind of changed the shape to be a little bit more square and also a bit thicker. The moment I tried it on, I just fell in love because it looked like it was made for me. It suited me so well. I was wearing another dress, a floral dress, but a really long midi dress, and I wore it and I was literally floored. I literally fell in love with the bag the instant I tried it on, and I even put some things in it to see if it would fit my phone and everything else, and obviously it does. So I'm gonna also show you what it fits inside. The fact that it's so much more well made, like literally this bag feels like OG LV quality. I'm not even joking. I'm hoping that it is the case, but I feel like it's just so sturdy. It's very well made. The material on it just feels just extra special. It's microfiber lined, and oh, and there's a strap. And there's a strap, I forgot to talk about that. This bag also comes with its own strap, and it's white leather on the bottom because the black version comes with a white trim. I'm gonna show you my original bandoulière that I bought a few years ago. You can see the difference. It's a little bit skinnier. 3 different materials: patent leather, monogram, bottom here and on the handle, and EP leather on the side and on this part of the charm, and of course on the strap as well. So on the strap, AP leather on one side, monogram on the other. The edges on this bag as well as on the strap are all glazed. I am kind of afraid of glazing from Elbe now, but just because I have had so many glazing issues with my Pushimitsus. But I feel like there is a difference between that bag and this bag, because with the other bag, the strap constantly rubs on the side of the glazing, so it causes the glazing to lift and to crack, whereas this one, there's nothing that touches the glazing, I guess, except the bottom when you sit the bag down. But other than that, I feel like it should be okay. So I'm hoping that the glazing won't be an issue on this bag. But aside from that, it's so beautiful. The S-lock is signature from Elbe, and it's the gigantic S-lock because I was such a fan of the S-lock on the Pushimitsus. It was one of my favorite locks to use. It was all scratched up though, but I still loved using it. It's such a convenient way of getting in and out of your bag. All the hardware are gold tone, and they're all the shiny gold tone. None of that mismatched like shinier and matte gold on some of the Elbe bags out there. And also the interior is lined in a microfiber lining, which is one of my favorite lining from Elbe. It also has a slip pocket in the back. There, slip pocket. And there's a plaque. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there's a plaque that says Louis Vuitton made in Italy. So this bag is made in Italy. And then here also on the side of the bag, you can see that there is a kind of like a button, but it's stationary. You can't actually remove it, but it's stamped Elbe on there as well. So the attention to detail on this bag is just amazing. I also love how structured it is, and it gives me the trunk vibe, if you will. Yeah, I just feel like it's such a great price point. It's such a great bag for what it is. And it was the perfect replacement for me because I didn't have to pay that big of a difference to get this. And it fits everything, and plus it comes in so many different colors. I just chose the black one just because black and white are just one of my favorite combination, and it's just the easiest to take care of. It also comes with an envelope with a buffing cloth. So this is the cloth that you buff the patent leather with, and also with the booklet that tells you about properties of vernis leather. Vernis in French is vernis, and vernis just means patent. So it tells you a lot about the leather. Next, I have this to unbox. So this is a vegan bag by JW Pei. You may or may not remember the burgundy bag that I featured from them as well. So it comes in this box and the dust bag. Like I said, I've not opened it yet, so I have not seen it yet. And beautiful drawstring. And the dust bag is kind of like a nylon fabric. And I chose another black bag, and this is in the croc embossing. Oh, how cute! So the clasp on this one opens from pushing on the bottom, and I know that it comes with the strap. The interior is like that. It has two different compartments and then a slip pocket in the front. Look at the texture of the leather, how shiny it looks. It looks kind of matte in person, but like with the reflection it looks so good. And this is the lock, like I said, the one that, oh, it's so pretty. And then the side with the D-ring for the strap. The hardware on it is so nice. And this is the bottom. This one looks even prettier than the burgundy one, and the size is so similar to this bag. Oh my goodness, I love it. So it also comes with a strap. I'm gonna quickly unwrap it, and also want to try everything on for you guys. The hardware also has the brand name stamped on it. This is great for people who are vegan, who do not consume meat, and also those who will prefer using a vegan bag as well. The bag is completely full at the moment. As you can see, no bulges anywhere. And then right here in the back I have my 6-key holder. Right in front of it I have my card case. Down in here on the side I have a packet of tissue. I have my 3 things that I normally carry all the time: Burt's Bees lip balm, floss, and a bag hanger. And then finally down in there I have my AirPods from Apple. And that was it, but essentially those were the things that I had in my peekaboo before I transferred it over. And obviously the peekaboo will fit a lot more, but yeah, that's essentially what it fits, and I'm really happy with the capacity and just the style itself. Again, this is also fully packed, as you can see, no bulges. It actually fits the exact same amount of things, which, you know what, I'm super impressed. So on top right here I have my sunglasses in a case. So let's start from the back pocket. I have my floss, my lip balm, and my bag hanger. I have my AirPods and tissue, packet of tissue. So that's the back compartment right there. It also has a zip pocket, And in here there's the brand. There's a slip pocket right here in the front, and I have my passport in there. Perfect spot for hiding 6 key holder, my card case, and finally my iPhone XS Max. So the iPhone, the larger iPhone, will not fit in the middle of the compartment, otherwise it'll have to be diagonal. So I just put it where the basically the gusset is. Right there, the hardware on the side is so pretty. Look at this really pretty hardware. Yeah, this vegan bag is so impressive. So these are the 2 new reveals. What do you guys think? I am loving them. As usual, everything will be linked down below, and if there's any coupon codes, I will also have all of that info in the description box. Please make sure to check there, and anything that I'm wearing, jewelry, even this little chicken ring holder, someone was asking me, so I make sure to link it down below as well. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love to have you back. Please do subscribe. Have a great day and week ahead of you, everyone, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye!